Hi guys, welcome to your 9-5 quadratic equations by completing the square notes. You can tell there's only 6 questions, so there must be something fun and delightful about these. This is kind of a spicy way of finding it. It's probably not the way anyone would want to pick. I mean, if they had a choice, most people would probably avoid completing the square. But it is one of our content standards, and it is kind of fun once you get it down. This is, again, a lesson that I remember from my own high school experience. And I actually like to use it because it's just kind of fun. I don't know, once you get the hang of it, it's just so easy breezy. So, usually you guys know I like to sing songs. When in doubt, write it out. Domain is X, range is Y. Get it wrong, I'll poke you in the eye. 0 on the top is okay. 0 on the bottom, no way. You know all those, right? When in doubt, write it out. Grab your sets and bring it out. Miss Miller's all about her chants or songs or whatever it may be. And this is one of those I just could never come up with a song. It was just so darn complicated. So I had this young lady who was a drama kid. I was a drama kid, loved drama. I took drama for 3 years. Helped me get out of my shell because I'm quite introverted, despite what people think. So it helped me kind of explore a different side of myself, drama. And this young lady was a very outgoing young lady. I called her Rosebud. I think her name was Rosie, but I always called her Rosebud. And she was just a delightful kid. So I think during my lesson I complained, oh my gosh, I can't get this into a song. It's one of those things I wish I could create a song, and I just could never think of a stinking song. Like I know what the steps are, but I could never find the tune, you could say. So the next day, Rosebud comes in and she hands me this little 3x5 card, and it has this on it. And she goes, here you go, I made you a song. And I said, what? What do you mean you made me a song? She goes, you know, for Complete the Square, you said you struggled with that. I came up with one to the tune of Happy Birthday, and here you are. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down. And I'm like, whoa, get back here. Will you sing it for the class? And she's like, oh, 100%. And I'm like, you're so rad. So she sang this song, and I think that was probably 5 years ago or so. And I've used this song ever since because it just helps you remember the steps. Because there are so many stinking steps. You have to move something, you have to divide something, you have to square it, you have to add that number to both sides, then you have to factor, you have to take the radical, and then you have to solve it right at the end. And things are much easier in song. So let Miss Miller take a big sip of her water. Me. So here is the song. Here it goes. Move C to the right, middle number divide, square it, add it to both sides, factor it, solve it right, boom. So move C to the right, middle number divide, square it, add it to both sides, factor it, solve it right. You got it. Now you guys should try this on your own. I would force the kids to sing it in class to their horror, but I loved it. I thought it was great. So move C to the right, middle number divide, square it, add it to both sides, factor it, solve it right, boom. So I'm going to reference this song many times. You're going to probably hear it so many times that your ears will bleed, possibly. So I apologize in advance, hashtag sorry not sorry, because it is a way to help you remember things. I had to create songs and stories and poems and, oh, you name it. But I got to graduate top of my class because I put in the time to figure out how to put it in my brain. And you guys will have to do the same thing. If something's worth doing, it's not going to be easy. College is not easy. It took me 10 years to get 3 degrees with 2 kids and a husband and 2 sports on the weekends and coaching, and it was crazy cuckoo bird. But it was doable. Why? Because if you can find a style that works for your learning, that's golden. It's golden. So we'll be singing a lot of this song. I hope you get it down as well. I will put this on the post so you guys can print it if you'd like. So let's get started on the actual lesson. Go to the next video, please.